today we are gonna try to save some water. We are gonna be 3D printing a faucet aerator. So let's get started. For those of you who don't know what a faucet aerator is it's just this little tiny piece. I'm sure you probably know what I'm holding here. This is the piece that usually has a little piece of plastic in here. It goes in here like this. It consists of a tiny little filter on the bottom. This one's missing its filter. And it connects up onto your faucet where the water comes out. And this little piece is designed to put a little bit of air in the water when you turn your faucet on. Our goal here is to 3D print a new aerator that's gonna fit inside of here because we get a lot of water out of the faucet you don't use. You know, when you go to wash your hands, you only need a little bit of water coming out of your faucet. You don't need a ton. Let's go ahead and make one. First, I'm gonna design the model in a 3D CAD program, and I've decided to use 123 Design for this project. 123 Design is really simple to use. It also is 3D printer safe. Any model I've ever built in this program has always been guaranteed to work with your printer because lots of times you build 3D models in a program and there's holes in it. It's very important to have a very clean model. Well, this 123 Design creates really clean, nice looking models. So let's get it printed. The part is done. I'm excited to test it. This piece fits on there like that. Now when the water comes through there, it's going to be reduced by a bunch of little tiny holes. I'm gonna go ahead and test this out and see how well it works. It reduces the water, but it's not quite the smoothness that we're looking for. Next one, I reduced the holes by a little bit. This one still did the same thing. I reduced the holes even more, and it resulted in this. Next, I ended up reducing the number of holes. I reduced the holes even more, sprayed out too hard, so I designed a secondary piece to go along with that, and that one still didn't work. So I redesigned that with this piece here. Beautiful, but that one didn't work either. So I redesigned it, making it a little bit thicker and bulkier. That didn't work. So then I redesigned it, this time with a center ring in the center. So I scrapped that entire idea and went to more the holes being in here and it's spinning out into the center. It leaked way too bad. Creating this piece, this is probably my favorite aerator I have created so far, but not what I wanted. So I scrapped that idea and redesigned it to this. This one has a beveled edge here to help seal. It's got holes in the back which water travels through to the center of each one of those holes inside of here, and it sprays out in a circle. Aerates the water at the same time. Exactly what I wanted. Come on, it's a simple water thing. Can't I just put a reducer on there and make it work? Apparently not. It's really hard to tell exactly how much water we're actually saving, but simple rough estimates I was able to determine is about 50 to 40% water savings. This took me 3 days to design and print all the pieces, and I figured it out and it ended up working. If you like this video, subscribe because you might like some of my next ones. Thank you for watching, and of course we will see you next week. I'm gonna go put this on the faucet now. Faucet! What?